Alden, right here. Look. Look. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Use your hand. What is it? Wow. Whoa. What is that? Brachiosaurus? Yes, Leo. Wow.
Leo technique.
Ooh, what'd you get, Alden? What kind of dinosaur is it? What kind? Tyrannosaurus? Try again. What kind of dinosaur is that? Good job, Leo. Good job. Yes, it's a Stegosaurus. Okay. We're gonna take the markers. Pick a marker. Color your dinosaur. Look, I have a tray. Hold on, hold on. You see it has pom-poms and it has eyeballs and there's a little bit of glue. You dip the pom-pom or the eyeballs in the glue and you decorate your dinosaur. You got it? Okay. Here you go. Here you go. We're gonna go find dinosaur eggs. Yeah.
Dinosaur eggs.
Yes. There's 12 eggs. Okay?
Let's find it.
Yeah, let's go find it. Leo, honey, my goodness. Okay, keep.
What's that? Oh, you got one. That's a cool one.
Wow! Wow! Good job, honey. High five! Wow! Good job, guys. Open your dinosaur egg. Let's see what's inside. Open it. Shake it. Shake it. What is that?
It's a money rat. Baby. What's this?
Stegosaurus? Wow, okay. Oh! Ah! It's trying to eat me. What are we doing, boys? What is it? It's painting. We're gonna paint dinosaurs. Well, so much for getting you guys a themed painting, because you just flipped it over and started painting the other side.
Let's go watching.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, you both have 5. There's... Oh, you got owie?
My hair, owie.
My hair, owie? Okay.